The medium is the message. McLuhan states that the medium is both opposite to and entwined with the message. In Gleick's book, The Information, A History, a Theory, a Flood, there are three different definitions of information: uncertainty, difficulty, and surprise. Each of these types of information differs highly from one another. However, just as the medium is both opposite to and entwined with the message, the same applies to these three kinds of information. Let's explore. In Gleick's book, Claude Shannon shared his views of what uncertainty, difficulty, and surprise are. Uncertainty. Information is closely associated with uncertainty. Uncertainty, in turn, can be measured by counting the number of possible messages. If only one message is possible, there is no uncertainty and thus no information. Difficulty. What is significant is the difficulty in transmitting the message from one point to another. Perhaps this seemed backward or tautological, like defining mass in terms of the force needed to move an object. But then, mass can be defined that way. Surprise. The more inherent order exists in a sample of English text, order in the form of statistical patterns known consciously or unconsciously to speakers of the language, the more predictability there is, and in Shannon's term, the less information is conveyed by each subsequent letter. When the subject guesses the next letter with confidence, it is redundant, and the arrival of the letter contributes no new information. Information is surprise. Now, since you have heard these definitions, let's dig a little bit deeper. Uncertainty differs from surprise and difficulty because without uncertainty, there is no new information. There is information with difficulty. Difficulty only refers to the process of it being transmitted. Now, the surprise aspect of this information intertwines both with uncertainty and difficulty, because just like there is no information without uncertainty, there is less or no information considering how predictable something is. There is no new information when the subject is capable of guessing the correct answer. And because of this, there is difficulty considering there is no new information.